Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back with another video. Today I'm going to be walking through the process of how to get Sling TV for free. Sling TV is offering a free part of their service to where you can get live TV, movies and TV shows, and on-demand and DVR, the whole shebang. I'm going to go and walk you through the process today. Let's go and jump right into this. So the first thing we want to do on the left-hand side where the magnifying glass is, we want to go ahead and just search for Sling TV. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Sling. And as soon as you type in SLI, you should automatically see it populate Sling TV right there at the bottom, second search result down. I'm going to click on Sling TV. We're going to open this up. If you don't already have this installed, or if you already subscribe to it, let's go ahead and proceed through. So Sling TV, search it, you'll see it right there. We click on Sling. If you don't already have it installed, let's go ahead and install this. So it says download. Let's go ahead and click on download. It'll install as well. We'll just give it about 30 seconds to a minute to install. Alright, Sling TV. So let's go ahead and open this up for the first time. Okay, so once you have opened this up for the first time on your Amazon Fire TV, this is what you'll see. It says Sling, stop paying too much for TV, watch 14 days free, watch free TV, quarantine with Sling, already an account, sign in now to watch our best news and entertainment. So this is what we want to see. If you don't see this screen when you launch Sling TV, the app on your Amazon Firestick, just uninstall it again, reinstall it. It should appear with this screen. So we want to get the 14 days free, no commitment, no credit card, nothing. So we just click on watch 14 days for free. It's asking for an email address and a password. So let's go ahead and enter in this information and then we'll proceed. Once you pick your email address and your password, and it's in there, go ahead and click on next. Alright, so I clicked on next. I created the account on Sling TV from the app. Now all we have to do is look at the free services that we have now. So we have our trending live TV section. As you can see, you got CNN, MSN, and once we are into the Sling TV app, you will notice that you now have access to 45 live TV channels, 50K on-demand movies and TV shows, free cloud DVR, and you can watch simultaneously on 3 different screens. So definitely keep that in mind with this Sling TV. Appreciate Sling TV for even offering this service for free. They're hoping it will convert to paid subscriptions. Of course, anybody would. As you can see down here, this is available Sling TV on Apple TV, Roku, iOS, Amazon Fire TV, Chromecast, Xbox One, Android TV, browsers as well, Chrome, Safari, Edge browser, the whole shebang. So you get access to TV, TV guide, on demand, DVR. This is definitely a great service to have, free or paid, and I appreciate Sling for doing this for all of us while we're stuck in the house during these quarantine times. I'll make sure I keep updating you on what's happening with different services that are offering maybe a free deal. That way you can check it out for free and see if you like it. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. Hope you're able to log in, sign in, get this free service for yourself, and tell me what you think down in the comment section below, if Sling TV is worth it for free or if Sling TV is worth it for a paid subscription service.